In 2013 in Brazil, the country was facing a growing shortage of organ donors, and waiting list was impossibly long. People were dying needlessly. It was very difficult to increase the pool of donors because there was no box for organ donation on the driver's license. And according to Brazilian law, it was up to the family to decide whether the organs of their loved ones will be donated after their death. What solution will work? When asked to solve the problem, Ogilvy Brazil focused on the people they wanted to change, rather on the change they wanted them to make. The question was, what specifically were Brazilians utterly, madly passionate about? If there's one thing Brazilians are wildly passionate about, it's soccer, and most passionate of all are fans of Sport Club Recife. What if every fan's heart could beat for their beloved club after they're gone? What if their eyes could still watch games? What if they could pledge eternal loyalty? And so the Immortal Fans campaign was born. Sport Club Recife has some of the most passionate fans in Brazil. They want to be fans forever. Now they can. One man waiting for a cornea transplant said in the television ad made to publicize the campaign, "I promise that your eyes will keep on watching Sport Club Recife." A potential recipient of a transplanted heart said, "I promise that your heart will keep on beating for Sport Club Recife." The video was screened at every match in the club's Alho do Retiro Stadium, a venue that seats 35,000. As a result, the waiting list for organ transplants in the city of Recife was reduced 2-0 in the first year. People can apply online for the sport donor card. It's the size of a credit card, the words printed over the outline of a heart with a fiery, red backdrop. In her book Story or Die, How to Use Brain Science to Engage, Persuade, and Change Minds in Business and in Life, Lisa Cron, a global story coach, describes the success of this organ donation campaign as the power of story. To change behavior, you have to move their heart, not brain. Whether you're pitching a product, saving the planet, or convincing your kids not to text and drive, story isn't just one way to persuade. It's the way, because story is the best way to move people's heart.